Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel Bingo English. Hope you guys must be doing well and you guys must be hanky-dory and healthy. So what are we going to study after future simple? Directly we have jumped into future perfect. Why? What's the reason? Because according to the rules we do not make the passive of future continuous. हम किसका पैसिव नहीं बनाते? We do not make the passive of future continuous and future perfect continuous as well. So in the tenses we have the last topic which is future perfect. Like we are going to study about the passive of future perfect, and after that inshallah we will jump into, in the next video I will be telling you something about modal verbs as well, that how can you make the passive of modal verbs. हमारे पास मॉडल वर्ब लाइक पैसिव होते हैं, मॉडल वर्ब के भी पैसिव होते हैं. वी हैव पैसिव ऑफ मॉडल वर्ब्स टू, देन यू विल गेट द मोर आइडिया दैट हाउ विल यू बी एबल टू मेक द सेंटेंसेस ऑफ in passive as well about the modal verb. Fine. So what are we going to do over here? We will make the passive of it. Again I will give the same explanation. If you are aware about active sentences of future perfect, so it's very easy for you. Just like I will have taught you. So simple sentence I have written which is active, which is an active. जो active है, according to the formation of active, over here subject will have taught, verb, third form and then object. So this is a subject over here. In the passive we do not give the importance to the subject of active, जो passive में जाकर object बन जाता है. So simply if you know the future perfect sentences, so it will be very easy for you to do it. Just like how can we do it? Again I am going to give you the same explanation, but I will recommend you to go through my previous videos as well. That will be more beneficial for you. Fine. So if I talk about object, so object will go into the place of subject in the passive formation. ये passive की direct formation है which I have written over here. So you जो है वो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. You will come over here. Then we will follow the formation of passive. Then you will have been. So been के बाद हमने क्या लगाना है? We have to use verb third form which is already verb third form in the future perfect active. ये हमारी already third form होती है. So you will have been taught, आपको पढ़ाया जा चुका होगा. And we do not need to write about by me, but we may write if there is need, if it's compulsory to be written, if it's mandatory to be written, so then we can write by me, otherwise we don't need to write. So यहाँ पे ये जो है sentence आपका passive है which I have written the formation of passive. This is the formation of passive which I have directly written it. ठीक है. So if you know the sentences of active, so it will be more easy for you to understand, because if you are going to understand the passive like of future perfect directly, so you might face problem. Clear? So right now we are over here like I will have given presentation. Before telling you about this sentence, before telling you about this sentence, I will tell you the formation. Will have been verb third form and then will not have been. Many students commit mistake that they write will have after like not after will have. वो not को will have के बाद देखते हैं, which is quite wrong. आपने not, will not have been verb third form. This is the actual accurate sentence of negative, and then we have the will subject have been verb third form which is in passive. Now we are going to make the passive of them which is quite easy. So I will have given presentation in front of the class. वो कह रहा है, मैं कह रहा हूँ कि मैं presentation दे चुका हूँगा क्लास के सामने. We are talking about future of course. So यहाँ पे जो हम future में वो काम कर चुके होंगे. That's so presentation लूंगा या क्लास लूंगा, which will be object. We have to recognize जो दे जा चुकी होगी वो क्या होगी? Presentation. So that's how I will pick the like object over here in the place of subject. Presentation. Presentation will have been. Presentation will have been, and third form is given. Given in front of the class. Then I don't need to mention by me if it's necessary to mention it, because in the previous video I have mentioned to make my student understand, but we do not need subject over here of active. We do not need, but if it's necessary to be written, so then we can write. जहाँ पे necessary होता है, जैसे कि this poem will have been written by my friend or whatever, या जो हम future perfect में बोल रहे हैं वैसे बनता तो नहीं है future perfect में. This sentence is made in present simple or present continuous. Like this poem is written by like Mrs. Elsa Kazi or William Shakespeare in this way. Future perfect में हम ज़्यादातर बोलते नहीं हैं. So the next sentence is here, they will have. It's written have. they will have caught us, वो हमें पकड़ चुके होंगे, they will have caught us. So यहाँ पे जो है us जो है that is a object and it will come into the place of subject. So हम जब ये subject में आएगा तो we हो जाएगा we will have been caught. सही है. So यहाँ पे आपका सेंटेंस खत्म हो गया. And if you need to write by them, so you can mention it by them. And the last sentence is which is an interrogative. अरे यहाँ पे जो मैंने लिखना था एक नेगेटिव का सेंटेंस लिखना था. Like I have to make the negative of it. अब आपको ये कर लो. They will not have. एक नेगेटिव का एक इंट्रोगेटिव का. That will be good. तो यहाँ पे नॉट कहाँ लगेगा? They will not have. Well done. We will not have. ठीक है. सेंटेंस इज दे विल नॉट हैव कॉट अस, वो हमें नहीं पकड़ चुके होंगे. वी विल नॉट हैव बीन कॉट, हमें नहीं पकड़ा जा चुका होगा. फाइन. सो देन वी हैव द लास्ट सेंटेंस, विल ही हैव सोल्ड ऑल हिज लैपटॉप्स टू द कस्टमर्स. मतलब क्या वो अपने सारे लैपटॉप बेच चुका होगा कस्टमर्स को. विच सब्जेक्ट वी हैव टू पिक अप. हमें कस्टमर्स भी पिकअप कर सकते हैं एंड लैपटॉप्स भी पिकअप कर सकते हैं, बट आई एम पिकिंग अप लैपटॉप्स विच इज मोर सुटेबल. लैपटॉप्स will have been sold to all the customers. लैपटॉप जो हैं वो बेचे जा चुके होंगे सारे कस्टमर्स को बाय. सॉरी यहाँ पे देखें, that's a point. Will he have sold? It's in interrogative. So यहाँ पे हम क्या लगाएंगे? Will पहले आएगा. Of course, this thing I have checked over here because sometimes it happens that I do not check if it is an interrogative or a negative. But we must check this thing, which is very important. So यहाँ पे पहले हमारा लिखा जाएगा will according to the formation. Will, फिर उसके बाद जो object है, object will come into the place of subject. तो यहाँ पे हमारा लिखा जाएगा laptops. ठीक है. सो विल लैपटॉप्स हैव बीन सोल्ड टू ऑल द कस्टमर्स. क्या लैपटॉप को बेचा जा चुका होगा सारे कस्टमर्स को. यहाँ पे ये आपका इंट्रोगेटिव हो गया. बट अब कस्टमर्स का अगर आप बनाना चाहें तो वो भी बनाया जा सकता है. आप ऐसे लाइक आई एम आस्किंग यू हाउ विल यू बी एबल टू मेक इट. आप ट्राई टू थिंक इट, बट कस्टमर्स को आप पिकअप करें सब्जेक्ट, बिकॉज आई कैन इजी डू इट. मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. कस्टमर्स will have been sold all the laptops by, will the customers have been sold all the laptops by him. तो ये आपका एक कस्टमर्स का भी इट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट टू बी मेड. सो इन दिस वे यू आर गोइंग टू वर्क ऑन द लाइक एक्टिव इनटू पैसिव ऑफ फ्यूचर परफेक्ट. जस्ट लाइक आप कह रहे हैं आई विल हैव मेट हिम, मैं उससे मिल चुका हूंगा. ही विल हैव बीन मेट, उससे मिला जा चुका होगा. आपने कहा I will have eaten a pizza on Monday. मैं पिज्जा खा चुका हूँगा मंडे को. A pizza will have been eaten. A pizza will have been eaten on Monday. You can mention by me. So in this way, you are going to convert active sentences into passive of future perfect. Hope that you must have liked the video. If you want to get any of the topic and if you want me to understand any of the topics, so you can particularly send the topic name and you can comment as well, sir. We want you to teach this topic. So I just want to listen the feedback from my students that how they which kind of topics they want me to teach. Fine. If you have liked the video, so I would recommend you to subscribe my channel and like the thumb. And if you want to say something and comment, so you can mention it. Comment. Inshallah, we'll meet in next video. Till over here, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.